Hello my loves, I have my nails still on. Look at this, my natural nails, all with Madam Glam's love. Speaking of love from Madam Glam, sending love one box at a time with their February collection. This is absolutely gorgeous. This collection is called the Amour Tints collection, and let me tell you now, girl. Okay, so as you know, I've got my little Madam Glam swatchy sticks. We're going to swatch and we're going to do a design. We've got 4 cream gels and 4 glitter gels. These are the cream gels: Loyal, Lilac Lace, Love's Veil, sorry, and Berry Blush. And these are the glitters. Oh, they're so stunning. Dearest. I can't see, you know, I need new glasses. Love Struck. Look at them. Glaze d'Amour. Do you like the way I said that? And Heart Glow. So let me swatch the cream ones first. Now, on the surface, Loyal looks as if it's white, but as you can probably pick up, there is a really subtle light rose tint to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. The cream gels, as always, have supreme coverage. The minute I got this collection, I got very excited and did a little squeal. And even though I don't wear pink that much, I love looking at it. I love anything bright and fun and gorgeous. And there's also 4 glitter gels in the collection, so what's not to love? There you go, that's 2 coats. Each coat is 30-second cure. So that's the first one, Loyal. Beautiful. Lilac Lace is second. I was going to do my nails in this video, but I'm going to do a separate video doing my nails. But as you can see, they've grown out quite well. I had one damage today. I caught it. I dropped something, and as I was sort of walking up the stairs, and I tried to grab my phone, which is what I dropped, and it bounced off my nail and broke it. Just in the corner. Look at that. 1 coverage that was. 1 coat. So I'm going to be redoing my nails, but haven't they grown out beautifully just with Madam Glam's gel polish on? Really gorgeous. There we are. Something satisfying about watching gel polish go on. I don't know what it is. There we are. In and there we go. Done. There we go. Love's Veil. This is, now I can see my mum liking this colour. I haven't done her nails for ages because she's been recovering from surgery, and I can see her really liking this colour. It's beautiful, and that coverage is insane. Don't forget 30% off with code SarahB30 and 30% off anything. Berry Blush. This is another, I love this because this is like in your face bright but beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Get it on there, girl. Very, very satisfying to watch. Oh, look at it. Isn't that nice? Oh, sorry. So I'd love to know if you guys celebrate Valentine's or not. Me and Mr. B have been together for 15 years. We don't really, I mean, now it's a bit, we'd like, nah, can't be bothered. If we want something special, we'll get something special anytime. So onto the glitter gels, which you know are going to make me weep with beauty. Look at it. The coverage on these. So this style of gel has got a much denser gathering of like metallic flakes and pigment. So it's not like it's a clear gel with sprinkles. There is a pigment there. There are little metallic pieces. It's just gorgeous. The coverage is insane on gels like this. But yeah, I'd love to know if you celebrate it. Or are you going to treat yourself? Are you going to do a little bit of self-love? I've just literally been sorting out our gift sections on the website for Valentine's, and also just gifts for all year round and self-love and stuff. This is Love Struck. Now this is a holographic on a clear base, which means you can apply it thinner like this, where you kind of put it on top of a colour. and it won't blot out the colour, it will complement it. Or you can kind of double up and get better coverage. And the little pieces are beautiful, like soft candy pink holographic. Incredibly gorgeous. There we are. I'll pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll pop our website in the description box and you can have a look at there. We've got gifts for all occasions, and we've also got quite a lot of crystals and just awesome stuff. There's too much to go through. There's hundreds and hundreds of products. So there we are. Look at that. Gorge. And as you can see, it really does look like the colours. They're very accurate. This is another metallic. So you've got that gorgeous pigmented gel, those metallic flecks in there that give that glitter, that density. Really, really beautiful. Really good coverage as well. And the shimmer is insane. I get excited about it all the time. I've got the Easter collection here to show you at the end of the month, and it is, oh my god, I don't even want to go there now. Heart Glow. This one really got me. I paused and went, oh, as I was swatching it. I went, oh, the colour. Rich cherry red, would you say? Oh, look at it. Yeah, really, really beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Right, so that's the last one of those. So these are the gels in the collection. A really good collection, really well put together. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to do a little design. I'm just going to do 3 nails. Lilac lace is going to be my base for this nail. And it's just a little idea of something you could do. You know, I'm trying not to put my joints in my hands under too much strain because it's not nice, it hurts. So yeah, I thought I'll do 3 nails and just give you some ideas for maybe a little accent nails or some simple bits and bobs, and a triple layered heart. So that's had a 30-second cure. I'm going to go in with the second layer. I used to wonder how people did these like multiple layered hearts, and I used to try and do it the reverse way until I figured it out. So that goes in with the cure. I'm going to use Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. If you are looking for a matte top coat that is reliable and will not let you down and will make everything look stunning, this is the one you need. I tried so many over the years, like so many. And look at that, 30-second cure. Then I'm going to go in with Heart Glow. I'm going to get a big dotting tool and do the 2 tops of the heart, like Mickey Mouse ears. Then I'm going to use the detail liner from Madam Glam. And you can use the 30% code off for anything on the website, just so you know. Don't think it's only limited to like this specific collection or only if you spend a specific amount. Take advantage of it, it is there. So I'm joining up those 2 little dots at the bottom. Now it looks like 2 semicolons. And then I'm going to bring it together and just fill it in and perfect any bits I'm not too keen on, like the edge there where I went over a bit. There we are. So I've done that all the way down. Each time I cure it for like 30 seconds. And I thought, I love this glittery gel so much. I'm going to stick it all over the nail. So I was just like, ooh, dot there, ooh, dot, 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 dot. Getting all carried away with myself. So much sparkle. Then I'm going in with a Love's Veil. And I'm going to do the same inside these hearts. Now, I am just going to pause it here. There is an easier way to achieve a smoother look. So every time you do a layer of the heart, do a thin layer of the matte top coat, then do the next layer of the heart, next layer of the matte top coat, and then when you've finished, do it with a gloss top coat. That will ensure you have a nice flat nail. So there was my little pause where I reflected upon my method. And that's just because I'm a bit rusty, I think. A little bit rusty, a little bit dodge. A little bit rusty around the edges. So look, I've done a heart inside a heart. You get it? Easy peasy. Then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Do the next one. You could freeze cure it for like 10 seconds just to stop it moving about. Move on to the next one. But really, it would work so much better keeping it super level if I had done a bit of top coat in between. Just, I think, you know, one of them things. Then I decided to add some more dots because more is more, right? More is more. And I just thought, well, I've committed now. I need to continue. I need to just get on with it. Let's have a bit of tea. A little bit of tea. I'm going in with another colour because there was never enough glitter. Glaze the more. Oh, that was lovely glug of tea. Sorry if you heard that, but I needed it. It gets a bit harder as they get smaller. It gets a bit more faffy. But I think it looks really cute. And I did the same thing, right, all the way down. Obviously, the size of the dotting tool gets smaller as you go down in the heart size. That's what helps you to keep it within those parameters. You don't have to think too much. It's more just like having a steady hand. My hand isn't as steady as it used to be, but I can't do anything about that. That's out of my control. So I will do what I can with what I have, right? I'm still loving what I do. I do miss having clients and being able to do people's nails and give myself really, really long nails. I miss that so much. But just do what you can. So I'm going to make sure that's all cured in place, and then I'm going to top coat. So because I'd done it, what I sort of think is a bit arse backwards, I decided to do a thicker top coat on here and then tip the nail upside down a little bit and just let that top coat float and sit so that I could level it out a little bit. But luckily, Madam Glam gels are very pigmented, so you don't have to apply layers and layers of thick gels. I remember when I was, first starting out and had cheaper gel polishes, the pigment wasn't there, therefore I was adding bulk all the time, bulky nails, and I didn't understand how people could do designs that weren't bulky. Well, here you have it. Get a good quality gel. So Berry Blush, which is friggin' stunning, I'm going to do on the two outer nails. Beautiful, beautiful colour. I'm going to be using this collection to do my nails. I just haven't decided yet what I'm going to do. Although I could do the Easter collection on my nails. Oh, now I've started. So I've done a 30-second cure and I'm going to do another layer on there. Now I don't know what to do. I've kind of given myself a dilemma here. Or I could do my nails and do them again in a few days. I don't know if I'm well enough though. My hands might hurt. Right. In with matte top coat on that as well. Thin layer. You do not need a thick layer of this matte top coat. Nice and thin, spread it along. It will work wonders for you. Get it in. And I'm going in with Dearest on top because it is a highly pigmented glitter gel. So I'm only going to need one coat. And yet I'm going to get glitter swooshes out of it. Look at that. Oh, it just makes my heart just thump with excitement. I love it. I absolutely love this gel. I get really excited over glitter gels. In case you've not been here very long. Anything sparkly. I just did some swirls, really. I wanted it to be elegant, slightly romantic, but colourful, bright and fun at the same time. I didn't want to go too over the head. Over the head? What? What am I saying? What am I saying? What am I trying? Someone please tell me what I'm trying to say. Didn't want to go too overboard with it. Doing full-on filigree and God knows what. I just wanted some elegant swooshes, and now what I'm doing is going over just those little swirls with the no wipe top coat from Madam Glam. I am leaving the background matte because the velvet matte top coat really keeps that pigmentation. It doesn't go chalky and you don't lose it. I have used some top coats in the past where it affects the colour. This does not. It looks solid, it looks gorgeous, so therefore I just want the glitter to stand out on top. So I'm going to gloss top coat the glitter gel and leave the rest of it matte. And it's nice and easy to do. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And I did the same on the opposite nail. It's just a little design inspo, guys. I really hope you've liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing for Valentine's Day, and I'll speak to you soon. Tally bye.